Come on, come on. Really? Good. When I come out, you come out too, Tim. You hear me?
I'll be out at the back.
Tim, I'm going to take the left side of this wall. When we come out, when I go out, you come out right away. You stay on this wall, though, on the right wall. Tell me if you can see anybody. Ready?
Ready? Go.
Okay. All right. Calm down, buddy. No worries. We're wearing a lot of gear.